Veniak and I'm here with Fearless Cooking. Today we're going to do a side dish and it is all part of my Let's Not Get Wasted series, which is basically from the eyes of the vegetable or of food that gets wasted. So I'm very concerned about that a third of our world's food production is ending up in the garbage. So we really need to use everything possible that we have. So today we're doing SwissChard. It's a very colorful vegetable. You can see different colors here. They're just beautiful and gorgeous. And a lot of people are throwing the stems out. So I've already removed some of them. And so all we're doing is just get the bad stuff out of here. We don't want that. Just cut it off a little bit. This can go into the soup. And we're just cutting these pieces off, the ends, and basically just chopping it up. Just cut it thin slices. You can do some chunks if you like. We're going to saute that together then. You just take a few, like it's rolling paper, if you know what I mean. And then just roll it up. And then just cut it into pieces like this. Now remember, it also disintegrates, so it seems like it's a lot, but it will cook down. What's very important is that you wash this really well, because it does get gritty sometimes. So I'm just gonna already start to disintegrate, just like spinach. I'll put the rest in there. Give it a few seconds here. And now I'm putting some garlic in and some shallots. Now the reason why I'm putting the shallots in not before is I want the taste of the onions really getting into the chard. What we do now is, of course, we put some salt on it, some pepper. We're also putting some nutmeg in. If you've never used nutmeg, this is whole nutmeg. I urge you to get whole and not ground up one, because you get a lot better taste out of it. And then you just grate it into them. This is a lovely taste. Sometimes it jumps around a bit, and that's enough. We're mixing this thing up. And I'm going to put, you can put water in it, stock. We have some vegetable stock left from our other session. All I do now is takes about 25-30 minutes. Just put the lid on it, put it on low. SwissChard has reduced itself, as you can see. What we're going to do is just put a little bit of coconut cream on it. And that will pretty well finishes our sauce. Let's do a little bit of a reduction here, meaning reducing the sauce a little bit. And that is it. We have not wasted our SwissChard at all. We used the whole entire vegetable. In this one you can say, let's not get wasted, and we did not. So here we are. A beautiful side dish, SwissChard with some onions, some garlic, everything used, and we put a little bit of coconut cream on it. It was about 25-30 minutes that we cooked it down, and you have a beautiful side dish with lovely colors. Remember, not only be fearless in your kitchen, also listen to your vegetable that are saying, let's not get wasted today. If you enjoyed this session, please push a few buttons, like, come back, and remember to always be fearless in your kitchen.